Hello friends, welcome back to our new video of tenses. And in this video, today we will learn the use of present perfect continuous tense. And our today's part number is 6. And in today's part, our main goal is to learn the spelling changes of the verb. And today we will learn the spelling changes of the verb, that is which situation the verb changes. Sometimes the verb changes completely, sometimes the verb changes a little bit, and sometimes the verb changes and it indicates a different spelling. And when we pronounce that, we can get a different pronunciation than the previous verb. Okay, today I will show you practically the spelling changes of the verb, including present perfect continuous tense. Which time we need to add the ing, and which time we can only add the ing, and which word will be cancelled, which word won't be. Okay, I will show you step by step. So no more talking, let's get started. So here we can start from here. In all spelling changes of the verb, most of the all cases, if we talk about the verb, on the time we generally add the ing here. For example, watch becomes what? Watching. Learn becomes learning. Do, doing. Walk, walking. Drink, drinking. Okay, these are the simple verbs, and you have to just keep it. Remember, these are simple verbs, and after this you have to just put the ing. The next, that is when the verbs end in e, only e, on the time we have to drop the e, then we can add the ing. For example, bake becomes baking. How? Here's how it works. So in this case, we can get at the last word, we can get the word, the letter that is E. So we have to cancel this letter, and then it becomes like this: bake, baking. Same like of here, smile, smiling. Okay, I hope you have get it. The next is when verbs end in IE. On the time, we have to change the IE. Okay, we have to change the IE to Y. Here's how it works. So see, the verbs and this verb ends with IE. So we have to change the IE instead of, so we have to put the Y instead of IE. So here we have already put the Y, and then we have added the ing. Same case is here. This verb Y, so die becomes dying, vie becomes vying. Okay, same case here. I hope you have get it. The next, when the verbs end in CVC pattern. Okay, but what does it mean? Words mean CVC pattern. CVC pattern stands for consonant, vowel, consonant. Okay? If the verb follows this structure, on the time after of that word, the last letter will be doubled. Here, how it works. So here, this verb is following. Okay, is following this pattern, CVC pattern. And as we know, that is, so in CVC pattern, we can get the vowel. What are the vowels? A, E, I, O, U. These are the vowels. And without these, all letters are consonant. Okay? So here, if we check it, if we observe it, if we examine it with the CVC pattern, then we can see that is, we can, and it starts from end to beginning. It starts from end to beginning. So if we start from end, we can get that is P is, as we know, P is what? P is consonant here. P is consonant, oh my god, P is consonant, O is vowel, O is vowel, P is consonant, O is vowel, and T is consonant. Okay, CVC. Okay, we have already get it. CVC. Now stop becomes what? Stopping. Here how it works. Now I will show you practically. See, here on the time our last letter is P. So on the time we have to double the last letter. That is, it becomes doubled here, you can see. And then we have simply added the ing up here. Have you seen this? Stop becomes stopping. Same like of here. Oh my god. This structure ends if we make it in the CVC pattern, then it becomes like this, and our last letter is M, and then we have to double the M, and then ing. So here we can get a different pronunciation if we add in this case stop stopping, swim swimming. So these are the main common steps, main common matters, that is which situation the spelling of the verb changes completely, a little bit, or at all. Okay, so these are the main steps. So when you read the book, when you write a story, when you get this types of verbs, that is which verbs we can make it into the continuous, you have to just observe the verb. You have to concentrate on the last letter. If it's simple, does it follow the CVC pattern? On the time we can just change it. Okay, I hope I have already make you all understood. Okay, so by the way, if you like this video, just like, comment, share, and follow my video. And see you in the next video, everyone. Be well, and thanks for watching my video.